Okay, so I have my paper lengthwise or up and down because our cake is very tall. I have a few pieces of paper underneath to protect my table. I have pink and blue markers because my cake is going to be pink and blue. And I have a black marker for drawing. You can use a pencil, crayon, whatever you like. And I have a ruler. Now, if you think at any time that I'm going too fast, you can pause the video and press play when you are ready to start again. Okay, here we go. So I'm going to start with a line on the bottom, and this is for the plate. Okay. So our cake is sitting on a plate, and we're going to make that a little bit thicker. So, then we can round off the edges, just like that. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is our cake is going to be 3 tiers. So the biggest one is going to go on the bottom. And we need to leave room at the top of the paper because that's where our birthday candles are going to go. And those are very important. So I'm going to go a little bit in. Okay, so you're going to draw a line like so. And then what we're going to do is we want our icing to be dripping over the side. So we're going to round it off like this. And then we are just going to do some squiggle lines across. There's so much icing on here. It's just oozing over everywhere. Delicious. There we go. Okay. Now, we can draw a line down, and of course on the other side as well. There we go. See, it looks like the icing is covering the edges. Okay, so now we are going to go up and we're going to come in. So our middle tier or our second tier is going to be a little bit smaller than the bottom one. Okay, so we're going to draw a line. We're going to do the exact same thing that we did to the bottom one. Then we're going to round it off. Have our icing coming down. And we're going to do some squiggly lines all the way across. You can put as much icing on yours or as little. Mine, I'm going to put so much because I love icing. Okay? And again, now we come in a little bit and we're going to do a line straight down on both sides. Okay, and then we have one more tier. So this one is going to be the smallest one. So we're going to go up again. And maybe bring it in a little bit smaller. That's good. Round it off. And do your squiggly lines all the way across, and then join it on the other side. Great. This cake looks so delicious. It's making me hungry. There we go. Okay, so the next thing that we are going to do is we're going to put some birthday candles on the top. Okay, so this is going to kind of be like raindrops. One. We're going to do a little bit of a thick line. Okay. And I'm going to go over about the same over here. Two. Go in a little bit. Three. And 4. Beautiful. Okay, so we have 4 candles on top of our cake. Now I want to do some decorations. Okay, so I was thinking we could put a heart up here. Let's put a heart in the middle. Like so. And then we can put some fun stripes. Just follow these all the way across. Okay. And at the bottom, I want to do polka dots. Do some big ones. And some smaller ones. You can do a whole bunch of different sizes. You can also do any kind of decorations on your cake that you like. I just think that this looks cute. Always remember, it's your drawing, so you get to do whatever you like. And put some small ones. There we go. Maybe one more. Okay. What do you think the next thing we need to do is? Of course, we need to color our cake.